Wow, how was your food? You ate pasta? Oh. In typical fashion, I am having car problems. Just when you thought that leaving German car community and getting an American truck would give you a reliable truck, you're wrong. So, this morning, or I should say this evening, I want to try and start my truck. Oh my gosh, do I not have freaking gas? Ugh. I found all the gasoline I have. So I came out this morning, tried to turn on the truck, and it would not start. And yeah, let me show you guys what it sounded like. Here's my TRX. So, go in here. Let's try to start it. That is the sound it is currently making. So, if you notice, the truck is parked on a pretty major slant. So I have a feeling that the truck is not getting enough gas to start. So what I'm planning to do is put a few gallons and see what happens. Hopefully that starts up the engine, because I do have power from the battery and it sounds like it's getting spark, it's just not getting gas. Okay, moment of truth. I put damn well like almost 4 gallons, 5 gallons. So fingers crossed. Oh, thank Jesus. So yep. She's alive. Highly recommended. Just put gas. Just put gas the minute that it says low fuel, because if you park on a decline or incline and the truck's backside is up, it will definitely not start. When it says low, it means bone dry low. So yeah, my truck is alive. Stay tuned, you guys. So I figured I'd also do an update video on what I've done to the truck. She looks pretty. I guess I'll do a garage update too, not just on the truck. As you can see, I have a Kith license plate frame. If you know, you know. I've so far have repainted my front end on this E92 M3, and I've changed to more of a low-key kind of OEM look front splitter. Currently hooked up to the battery charger because it is winter. Still loving the golf cart. Here's the Lexus CT, my daily driver, and here is the TRX. And notice I am not parked backed in. I'm back. I drove in forward. So if you ever get into the 40-mile range, just do not risk it for the biscuit. Put gas. So far, what I've done to the truck, I've put in an 1.5 inch spacer right here. As you can see, I have just a little bit of poke, slight poke. I don't want it to be poking super far out. The truck is already wide. I think that's a good size. I kind of put like a reflective sticker on the TRX right there. License plate frame, the RAM cover. I also got a center cap for the rear tire. I'm planning on bedlining it soon. Plugging up those little holes from the previous owner. I don't know what he was doing and why he mounted it as such, but that will be plugged. Another must is on eBay they sell like really cheap bumper plugs that are pretty well matched, and I don't like seeing the bare holes, so I think it looks nice being fully plugged. The other thing that I do recommend that is a must, well, aside from opening your front door, is, let me turn on the truck. I installed the Taser DT, and if you notice, this stays amber, as well as this stays on during the day. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving during the day, the light stays on. And when I'm driving I have all ambers on instead of the white. That is a major must on these trucks. So far, I'm really liking the Taser. For example, if you turn on your signal, it turns on your backup camera. Other thing that is really cool I like about the Taser is when you turn on your truck, it will have it automatically to whatever setting you choose. Say if you're in snow mode, you turn off your car, it will start in snow mode. So that is another cool feature. Another thing that I like is if you were, I believe, to press the unlock button 5 times, it opens up all your windows. So another cool little feature that the Taser does. Another thing, say if you get tired of the amber DRLs, you can always put it in park mode and the parking light mode, and it will have the clear lights on. So yeah, that's my truck. You know, I do take back what I said in the beginning of the video. This truck has been reliable. I mean, as of 3 months that I've owned it, I believe. But yeah, I love it. I love this truck. And at first, I felt as though that I really missed my G-Wagon. But you know what? There's still that machismo, super strong feeling engine underneath the bonnet. So it just drives with a lot of power. But I love how tall it is out of the box. I didn't have to lift it or anything. It comes with a 35 tires. So you know what? It's a great truck, and I feel like I'm going to be keeping it for quite some time. I'm still really liking the LEDs I've installed in the garage. Really easy to you know, clean the cars in the middle of the night. Oh, another thing I forgot to show you guys about the BMW. I found OEM floor mats used for like $60 on eBay. Some people are like selling these for like $300-400. Are you kidding me? I actually sold my original ones that didn't have the M logo on, my X5M. So I've been kind of just rocking no floor mats, which is stupid, but anyways, I got floor mats now. I guess since I'm doing more garage updates, I do plan on painting my wheel calipers black. Feel like it looks like a Honda Civic paint job on my freaking brakes. So gonna go back to black just to make it look clean. As I get older, I'm starting to like demodify this car as much as I can, because I feel like cars that are unmodified, like aside from like OEM plus stuff, really just decreases its value. And as this car grows older, I want it to be worth every penny. Needless to say, I feel the same way about the truck. I just want to put some, you know, the bed liner, you know, small things that make the truck my own without making humongous changes that will like make it lose value. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. You know, I'm not gonna apologize for not posting as much. This is really just me doing what I can and showing what I do with my cars and truck. So enjoy, you guys. Stay subscribed. Don't unfollow me. Take care, everyone.